Hello, stock traders. I hope all of you are having a fantastic Friday morning, and you have asked for it, so here it goes. I have a brand new short squeeze video for you. And in this video, I'm going to give you 5 stocks that, according to the numbers, could really squeeze. Now, we are going into Friday, and a lot of short sellers love to cover throughout the weekend because any kind of good news could come out. They're afraid of losing their position. These stocks have fallen in price, and so now it is time for them to cover. So that is why I like to do these on Friday specifically. Now, before I get going in this video, if you could do me a favor, please hit that most amazing and wonderful like button. Also, if you haven't done so before, please subscribe and turn on those bell notifications so you don't miss out on a new video. I do lots of reporting on insider activity, buyback squeezes. I do all kinds of call outs through the week. And so you will want to be a subscriber to see these videos and see the information that I have. Now, if you want all of my buy and sell alerts, my best stuff, the way to do that is to be a member of my Patreon group. There is a link in the description down below. And in there, I give out all of my call outs all the time of different strategies, whether it be insider swing play, buyback play, PDUFA run-up play. There's all kinds of different strategies that I use on a daily basis. And if you want those alerts, that is the place to get them. All right, so it's time to take a look at the market. So we got all the way past that important level of 454, but now we've broken down below it with some bad earnings and some certain companies that are really big. And now we are bouncing on this 446 level again. Now, this is acting as support, and this could just be a little quick pullback on our way up, trajectory up. One thing to watch for tomorrow's market, if you're watching these short squeezes, is watching the SPY that it gets above 454 again, because then we can take a quick trip all the way up to 466. That might take until Monday, but that would really cause the people that are short on stocks to really go, uh-oh, there's a big problem here. And the indice for small caps is the Russell that you really want to watch, and that is ticker symbol IWM. And so an important level here is 204, and so 204 is one to watch. 203.85 right in there. That's an important level for this. We are also on support here at 197, which is very important support. And so we should see the same thing. We should see a bounce. So hoping and looking for that. Now, if we get that, then you will want to take a look at these particular short squeezes, and let's go through them. The very first one is Sirius XM Radio. They have a 24.13% short float and a 23.54% borrow fee rate, which means that anyone who wants to short this stock has to pay a 23.54% interest rate. Now, the level to really watch now, thing to keep in mind here is we are overbought, and so this could get up above 70 on the daily RSI, and then we could see a major pullback here. But this is looking really nice. Just had earnings in this huge jump, and so that's why this is looking really good. And these shorts are probably going to want to start to exit this, especially going through the weekend. Here is the level that you need to watch, and it's $6.80. So if this stock gets above $6.80, it could be a race, and you could see lots of shorts covering. Now, I do not find this to be a long-term play, but that is a level to watch and something you might just take a look at. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is an old favorite. I've made a ton of money with this stock in the past on insider activity, and this is Kasava Science's ticker symbol SAVA. It has a 34.65% short percentage and a 66.01 borrow fee rate, so it's expensive to short. Shorts don't want to be in it for too long because they are paying a hefty interest rate to do so. And with that high short percentage of float, this could be really, really explosive moving up. And the line in the sand, in my opinion, is $47.50. We start to get above that, you will start to see shorts start to cover, and this could get exponential as it gets going through the day. So this is something to watch. Now, do I think this is a good investment if we don't break that level? No, I do not. And so that's why that level is there. We have to break this resistance in order to get a bounce. Reclaim this as support and fly upwards. There's plenty of room for a nice move up. And so I like this one for a big move. Number 3 is Smile Direct Club, ticker symbol SDC. Now, this has been shorted heavily. The whole idea is that people will stop using the service because they're not at home anymore. That is kind of ridiculous. If you've ever paid for braces for your kids, you are always looking for a cheaper option. So this is a great option here. And the line in the sand is $3 a share. And so this, if it breaks above 3, could really exponentially start to fly. And so that is something really to watch. They have a 30.01% short float. That's very, very high. Anything over 10 is high. And a 34.11% borrow fee rate. So 34% interest on a yearly APR that they're paying to borrow shares, which is very expensive. All right, number 2. And this has been one that has really flown big in the past. And this is BBIG Vinco Ventures. Short float of 27.26%. Borrow fee rate of 146.11%. This is really, really expensive. And so watching this one for a break, getting above 350 is a big deal. If we get above 350, then we could see a really nice move up and could hit this next level 420, and then it could be quickly up to 525. And then beyond that, we shorts are in big trouble. 835 is I think where it could go from there. So this one could really, really climb. This will be one to watch tomorrow morning. Number one is TSRI. TSR Incorporated, 54.04% short percentage, borrow fee rate of 94.61%, very expensive. And the line in the sand is $12. So getting above 12, we could see a quick trip up to 1285 in a big move right there, kind of a smaller move. And then beyond that, 1445 is the next level, and then 1525, and then who knows from there. All right, well, I wish you all the best. Hope all of you have a fantastic trading day on Friday. Please reach out to me in the comment section down below. I appreciate all of you, and Raythoven out.